Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add family members to YUNMAI X Smart Body Scale. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. Then there's family members we can click on. Inside you can click on add to adjust the settings for your family member. And when you're ready, click on done and you will add a new member to your app. And if you want to switch between different members, you also need to click on that gear icon, go for the family members, and then simply select whichever one you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.